Hello in my YouTube channel. Today I brought something very special, and I'm really already excited actually to share with you this surprise. This surprise actually arrived from very beautiful meeting which happened online during storytelling course online. I met extremely energizing woman in STEM, Isa, and I realized that her energy is, I think, the biggest similarities or synergy we share together, and of course great also coaching experience. So I thought that this great initiative which we thought about can be extremely important, especially to bring as many as possible women in STEM and help them to become go-getter women in STEM. So we had a great idea with Isa to actually bring something which will be truly learning by doing online, to bring our energy and turn it into positive action and actually turn it in which may you think is associated a little bit with the sport field behind me. So it is AGILE bootcamp, and I think this is the first bootcamp which we're going to organize. I've done so many AGILE workshops, and for you which don't know what AGILE is and how you can use AGILE to turn and actually with our help turn yourself into a go-getter woman in STEM, so science, technology, math and engineering, please join our bootcamp, and more information will follow. What I can only tell you as a second secret to reveal, that the bootcamp will be done online, will be done from Monday to Friday, and the time which I'm going to give you, this will be the time which will be suitable for a lot of American girls from STEM platform which Isa is the founder, with 346 women in STEM. So I'm really excited that all you are very welcome to join this bootcamp, AGILE bootcamp, to empower yourself by applying AGILE, and I'm really happy to actually to do it with as a duo of energizing women in STEM and duo of energizing coaches. So I'm really happy to co-host with Isa this event, and please follow the next informations which we're going to share together with Isa on the platform. All the registrations and dates and time you will find there. I can only say that the time will be from 18th to 22nd of April, and it will be the hours we will give you already in description regarding the event, which we will release already this Friday. So I'm really looking to see you all at the AGILE bootcamp, and till then, stay tuned.